Wagi wa thayo bururi-ini no utume ukinyaniria wa motungata ma bata mage gukinyanira. Ici ni ciugo cirekereirio ni nyabara wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi akiuria atongoria hamwe na muingi kuhimbiria kuiga na kwihunjia thayo mahinda mothe.
When we speak to say that we want a stable, peaceful, dedicated government, it is very important so that our children can go to school. There can be peace and stability. We can have health, mambo ya afya. We can have kilimo. We can have sports. We can have business. Na ndio kwa sababu tunasema we need a stable government.
Musalia uria warĩtie arĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Anglican wa Kanyagia thĩinĩ wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Ndaragwa augĩte tabarĩra nyingĩ cia ũkũria wa matũũra na ũtonga wa bũrũri no ciage gũkinyanĩra rĩrĩa thayũ wa bacana. Atongoria arĩa manyitanĩire nake nĩ manyitĩte mbaru mĩario yake magĩtarĩria imwe cia tabarĩra iria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ĩrakinyanĩria mĩena ĩtiganĩte ya bũrũri.
If you don't have peace, there'll be no road. There'll be no agriculture. There'll be no dam. There'll be no hospital. There'll be no education. There'll be no security. So, that one word, that one question, economic value of peace summarizes everything else.
Orodha hii iko na miradi ambayo serikali ya Kenya inajenga hapa Nyandarua na hapa Ndaragwa.
You can see that haraka hiyo barabara inatengenezwa. Hii barabara kwanza ya 566 nilipatiwa usiku na president tukapigia Bogwa. Na unaona kutoka Oruko kuja Shaprot, hiyo barabara ndio inatoka hapa, itatoka hapa pale Yeterero iende Pesi iende Shamata.
Atongoria ya marahinyĩrĩria a Kenya kunyitirĩra thirikari niguo ihote gukinyaniria tabarĩra ici mbere ya gĩthurano kinene kia mwaka ukite wa 2027. Ngiriboti Inooro TV kuma itũra rĩa Kanyagia Ndaragwa guku ni kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.